Woken up, it's hard to find the legs I need for the corporate climb, to face the rain in you. If you feel you're the kind that can't, then leave me here, that's all I ask. Thought has ended here. I'm here inside, I'm wrapped too tight. All of us must toe the I'm wrapped too tight. You better tell your friends they're coming for your father. You better tell your friends they're coming for your father. And I feel that if I try, a wreck could hear a mile high. It's woken me again. I'm on a tightrope, and it's a long way down. Hand me your tightrope, something to hold me down. I'm in a foxhole, I'll pray when no one's there. Find me a foxhole.
arrivato dopo il
lies the burden that you shoulder on your own. Well, maybe we're all just learning how to share it. You're not alone, and I will always be around. 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 I will always be around.
là per me c'ha sta quella si rompe. Pensava
and heart broke,
che tu navigassi il lago, invece no.
I traversed this land.
È pericoloso. È pericoloso.
Well, nothing but a bottle in my hand. and the nights they are forgotten, like the names that passed me by. I hang my weary head to cry. Woe is me, the ballad of John. Where's the light that flickers on? And it's the mask to wear in mourning, where the coat should be hung. In the ballad of John.
Oddio. Ci fatto certe cose
ci vuole almeno una Sony Alpha 6.7 con l'autofocus moderno.
Con la 7D della Canon una raffica di scatti. Io le Canon le ho avute tutte quante.
Santa per esempio quando nascevano a fuga.
Vabbè, perché quello c'è il problema della messa a fuga, però io ho avuto quando ho scelto la prima proprio, la 500D che la scelta. O avete
the mind of a madman who's never set free, and a ship at sail on the sea, and the latch that holds it all, well, it's rusted and worn. I wished I'd never been born. Woe is me, the ballad of John. Where's the light that flickers on? And it's a mask to wear in mourning, where the coat should be hung.